My name's Paul, and I'm coming to you all the way from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. I'm the owner of this 1992 Camaro Z28, and I wanted to show you what I've switched to using to keep my car in the best possible condition I can. The last coat. Now, instead of showing you the after effects on my car, which already has multiple coats of the last coat on it, how about we switch it up a notch? How about this? This truck. This truck has been in the parkade for over a year. I would say this would make for one heck of a great vehicle for TLC to work its magic on. You can use a last coat on your wheels. Check that out. They are chrome, and here I thought it was painted gray. Use it on your plastics, such as these mirrors, to give it that like-new condition. Look at that, it looks like brand new. Spray it on your windows to give it that great, shiny, clean, and slick glass. And it leaves your windshield with that Rain-X effect that we all know and love. Even chrome, looking as bad as this, comes out incredible. And again, slick to the touch. Incredible. And of course, on your paint, it comes out shiny and slick to the touch. Look at that. And lastly, how about bird droppings? Been on this truck for close to a year. Absolutely amazing. It took it right off. I've used many other products, including one very similar, and it was absolutely no match. And I've also used one product for over 15 years, and now I have completely switched to the last coat. I can now apply the last coat to my entire car, including the rims and the windows, with literally 1/4 of an ounce. Plus, if my car ever gets dirty, all I need to do is wash it with water or a pH neutral car soap, and the shine and slickness comes right back as if I had reapplied TLC to the car. Amazing! You too can get results like this. Buy the last coat. Their customer service is top notch. Their product is top notch. And even free shipping to all those in the US for orders over $75. They even got a 30-day money-back guarantee. What are you waiting for? Buy the last coat. Believe me, you won't be disappointed.